Hello there! This video explains how to replace the interior light bulbs in a Nissan Primera P12. That's the gorgeous hunk of metal that looks like this. Specifically, we're focusing on the bulbs in the ceiling. There are 3 in this dome light close to the windscreen, and 3 more in this dome light above the rear seats. Oh, and we need to replace these bulbs quickly. It's really dark in my car. Yeah, just like that. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, here's how to replace interior light bulbs in a Nissan Primera P12. For this example, we're working on the dome light by the windscreen. Step 1 is to remove this transparent lens by pulling it downwards. My technique is to use a prying tool. This one's ideal because it's made from soft plastic and is therefore unlikely to cause any damage. Alternatively, you might prefer to use a flat-headed screwdriver. If so, cover the tip with a tissue. We can now see 3 bulbs inside the light. This central bulb generally illuminates the front of the cabin. It's the one that comes on automatically when you unlock the car. In contrast, the left and right bulbs, which are a different type than the central bulb, are personal lights for the driver and the front passenger. Let's start by replacing the personal bulb on the right. Simply twist it anti-clockwise, then slide it towards the middle of the car. As you can see, this is a bit fiddly unless you have tiny hands. Which I don't. Anyway, we now need to buy the correct type of replacement light bulb. But how do we know what's correct? Simple. Grab your magnifying glass and have a look for some tiny writing on the blown bulb that confirms the specification. Mine says 12 volt, 5 watt, and it looks like this. Now, it's likely as not that your bulb is the same, but check to be sure. To fit the new bulb, simply slide it into the housing, then twist it clockwise. The bulb on the left is identical, so it can be replaced in the same manner. In contrast, there's a different procedure to replace the central light bulb. Note first that it's held in position by these 2 contacts. Pull these contacts apart just a little bit so the bulb can fall out. For reference, the bulb in my particular car looks like this and is 12 volt, 7 watt. Naturally, simply slide the new bulb between these contacts to fit it. Next, push the lens back into position and finally confirm all the bulbs work. And that's it! That's how to replace the interior light bulbs in a Nissan Primera P12. However, before you rush off to the shop and buy your own prying tool, there are a few final points to consider. First, the dome light in the back of the car is identical to the one in the front. Clearly, therefore, everything we've learnt for the front applies to the back as well. Second, don't forget to check out the Nissan Primera Owners Club, which is a fantastic resource. There's a wealth of information available, you can ask questions, and the members are very friendly. Find it at www.npoc.co.uk. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Why bother? Because among many other things, there's more Nissan Primera stuff. You can also ask me any questions in the comment section. Oh, and can you please do me a favour and click like on this video? Right, that's all for now. Hey, who turned off the lights?